How to change App Store country or region to Australia. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your App Store country to Australia. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the App Store on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. And after that, tap on country or region and then choose change country or region. And now you'll see a list of countries. So scroll down and find Australia. And once you have located it, simply tap on it. Now next, tap on the agree button to accept the terms and condition, which is shown in the top right corner. And if you have a credit card, you need to enter the payment details. But if not, you can select none and proceed. And after that, you need to enter an address in Australia. You can use any valid address such as street name, postcode and city for example. I'll use random postcode and select New South Wales for the state. And once you have entered all the details in the billing address, you can simply tap on next shown in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. Now, as you can see, my App Store country has successfully changed to Australia. It's that simple. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.